Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with a Cap. Now, today we will do what we will do? Coloring. Today we will do coloring. Chapter 2 Standing Lines from Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your yellow color book. Take out your yellow color book fast and your colors and your colors. Now, what is standing lines? What is standing lines? Standing lines. This is an example of standing line. This is an example of standing line. Like this. This is standing line. What is this? This is standing line from top to bottom. Top to bottom. What is this? Standing line. Let's get discuss another example of standing line. What is this? Color. Now, this is also called standing line from top to bottom. Top to bottom. What is this? Standing line. Now, all of you tell me what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. Take out your favorite color. Then we will do our worksheet. First of all, take out your favorite color. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. This is my favorite color, red color. Take out your favorite color. We are standing line, stand, stand, stand. Draw us from up to down, stand, stand, stand. Sing with me and start making standing lines. Start making standing lines. From up to down. Up to down. Start making standing lines. Up to down. Up to down. Take your favorite color. My favorite color is red. That's why I am doing from red color. Start doing fast. I'm going to check. Start doing fast. Up to down. Up to down. Then another one. Up to down. Up to down. Start making standing line fast. Up to down. Start doing fast. Up to down. Up to down. Start doing. I hope you all are doing and enjoy. Shall we start it? Okay. Start making standing lines slowly from up to down. From up to down. Up to down. Complete it fast. Only 4 are left. Up to down. Up to down. Are you enjoying? Complete it fast. I hope all of you have completed this. My favorite color is red and yours favorite color is, I don't know what is your favorite color, but my favorite color is red. All of you have completed this. I hope you all are enjoyed this session. Happy learning. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.